Hello, this is @webmat and today we'll speak about robots.txt in SEO. Did you know there is a small file that can control how search engines see your website? It's called robots.txt. In this video we'll explore what robots.txt is, how it works and why it's important for SEO. Let's get started. Robots.txt is a simple text file stored on your website server. It tells search engine crawlers like Googlebot or Bingbot which parts of your website they are allowed or not allowed to access. Example shown screen. This means all bots should not go into the private folder. Robots.txt helps with crawl budget management. Google doesn't crawl your site endlessly, especially if it's large. So you want search engines to focus on the important pages. It also prevents bots from indexing low-value pages, like admin panels or duplicate content. This keeps your site SEO strong and focused. Now you might wonder what happens if a website has no robots.txt file at all. Well, the answer is yes, search engines will still index your site. But, for example, crawlers going through unnecessary pages like test page or cart. Without instructions, crawlers may waste time on pages that shouldn't be indexed, like login pages, internal search result, or even test environments. This can hurt your SEO by wasting crawl budget, indexing duplicate or irrelevant content, showing users low-quality results on Google. Even worse, you might accidentally expose pages you never wanted visible. You can create a robots.txt file using any text editor. Just write your rules and upload it to the root of your domain. So, your file will be at www.yoursite.com/robots.txt. But be careful, one wrong line can block important content and hurt your rankings. For example, one company accidentally added this line. This blocks the entire site from Google. Their traffic dropped by 90% in just days. Always test your robots.txt using Google Search Console. Never block important pages unless you're sure. Don't rely on robots.txt to hide sensitive data. It's not secure. Important. Robots.txt is a useful tool, but technical SEO mistakes are common. It's always better to consult with SEO professionals before making changes. To sum up, robots.txt is a small file with big impact. It helps search engines crawl your site smarter, but it must be used correctly. Thanks for watching. Follow our LinkedIn, our YouTube and our site.